Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 12-quarter film, 120 film, Hasselblad, long time ago. Well, I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Very nice pencil drawing type image, isn't it? Nice graphic lines. I really like this image. Well, about this image, now what am I gonna do? Well, when you look at this, not much colors in it, so this time I want to try to colorize this image. That's maybe pretty interesting. Well, let's get started. Okay, duplicate this layer and one is just turn it off to keep it. Then on this copy, I'm going to use hue saturation. Then saturation all the way down. Then brightness, touch, lighten up, maybe more. About 60, 62. Alright. Now I'm going to start to colorize on this the base. Okay, I'm going to add layer. Change blend mode to color. Okay. Choose brush. Airbrushing to medium blend. Pick some color. Nice skin tone. Well, what color is? Well, touch a strange color. Let's see overall background color. Okay, now I'm gonna add one more layer, change color, blend mode to color, and this is gonna be the background. Well, now I want to see. Yeah, it won't show much because there's no density on this background here, white. So I need to change this blend mode to normal, then tone down to blend in. Okay, I want to add one more layer for color again. Then this one goes painted on this. The place we have density on it. Now change that. Okay. Okay, how about this here? I want to make shape. Okay, now this is color over this color, so I'm gonna move this one. Go up. Okay, I'm gonna touch up later. Now just tone down to about around 30. Then I'm gonna paint on here. Let's see, it's too much colorful, so well, this one color was too much, so oh, because we are on color, so turn on this base. Okay, now turn on this, just a touch down. Let's see, too much pastel now. Pretty interesting, isn't it? It's kind of experimentation. That's good. Study for color, huh? Okay, let's go for it. A little bit darker. Okay, now let's see. Touch up some colors and stuff. Well, alright, let's see. I'm gonna use smudge tool. Now I just want to check this pencil drawing type of image. Change blend mode. Color burn. Overlay. Kind of interesting. Luminosity. Look at this. This kind of pastel color. Wow. Excited me. Yeah. So nice. Well, go back to normal. Now let's see, I want to fix this. Some cleanup when you change this, like overlay. Then we can just smudge here. Easy to see. To blend more softly. Look at the wrinkles and stuff. Yeah, turning pretty interesting experimentation. Maybe need some eraser tool. Then again, use smudge tool. That's pretty cool. Okay, then go back for interesting color. Pretty nice, I think I like it. Yeah, kind of Italian design colors, huh? Pastel, RGB. Well, so far, okay, this is my original image, and I changed to black and white. Just reduce the saturation off to make black and white. Then just a little bit lighten up. I add color on this model first. I add the colors of her hair make. Then after that, I add background color, this one. But beforehand, I add, remember this window light? I add this yellow color first. This blend mode is normal to add color because there is no density on a white area, so I have to change to normal to add color, yellow. And then after that, I add blend mode color, is just add these greens and orange, blue, nice, interesting, colorful colors added. To get this is my result today. Well, pretty much, I think, success. I don't know. Well, I like it. And this is it for today, and I will try to make something interesting image from this base image. And also I'm gonna change pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to some other blend mode like overlay. We're gonna get something interesting image. That's for tomorrow. Well, now this is it for today, and I thank you for watching my video. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. Maybe change color mode to black and white, monotone color to add some colors. Pretty much fun, interesting. That's creative too. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Well, see you tomorrow. Bye now. Ciao.